gone. I think it's gone.
Whoa. This is gone. And it got over 1 million views. So, people have a heyday about this seasoning.
Discontinued the seasoning that I literally came here for.
That is similar. So, let's get into the vegan chickenless. I first heard about this discontinuation was in an Emma Chamberlain video.
I just don't have any errands to run right now. I actually could run to Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's sells this specific seasoning that I'm obsessed with putting on my egg. I only sell it at Trader Joe's, but I always avoid going to Trader Joe's because it's always so busy. But it's 8 in the morning, 8:30 in the morning. They have some fun new snacks too. So I'll go to Trader Joe's. That will be my errand of the morning. I also have gas. Is that Trader Joe's discontinued the seasoning that I literally came here for. Vegan chickenless seasoning salt. It's gone. I think it's gone.
Welcome back to the channel, and today we are talking, drumroll, seasoning. And not just any seasoning, but the beloved, discontinued vegan chickenless Trader Joe's seasoning. Now, I didn't realize that people were obsessed with this until I had a TikTok of me grabbing these last two at Trader Joe's. It got over 1 million views. I know that Trader Joe's discontinues are life-altering sometimes, but I did find another spice that is similar, so let's get into the vegan chickenless. I couldn't find any reason or article of why people love this seasoning so much, but it did pop up with a lot of just like usual magazines or trusted websites for news about this seasoning, as well as different recipes, and of course healthy eating and everything is trending during this time period of being at home. So part of being healthy can also be transferring to becoming vegan or more plant-based. And apparently, before I tried this, everybody said that it tasted like ramen, and especially if you're somebody like me who's gluten-free, you typically don't have like the actual real ramen, so that is another plus of why this is so popular. And obviously, if you don't eat meat and you want that good like chicken savory miso flavor, it is this. And so there's 0 calories, 77 servings per container, 0 fat, 0 carbs, 0 protein, and just 14% of your daily sodium. So there's not even like sugar or anything. So this is a good deal. But now the real reason why this video exists is, what are we all gonna do when it's no longer available on eBay and Amazon, or if it goes up to like some absurd price, like $200 a bottle? Are you going to spend that much money on this seasoning? I hope not. But I mean, if you're a really big fan, no judgment. I was Googling other chicken seasonings, vegan seasonings, and of course you'll find some random websites telling you to make your own. I'm not about to make my own seasoning. It's a little too time consuming. But I did get this one off Amazon. This one was, this is $2. I think it was $1.99 at Trader Joe's. And this is like $7 or $8 on Amazon, and I thought that there was price gouging, but then I went to the website and it was actually that price. So that's just the price of the seasoning. But it is Jada Spices chicken salt vegan, so it's still vegan for you vegans. All-purpose seasoning, and it's reduced sodium. They also have just like a normal sodium one. So this one has, again, 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 sugar, 0 protein, 0 carbs, and 244 milligrams of sodium. Pretty much one-to-one, like in nutrition facts wise, and it tastes like the exact same. So if you need that good miso chicken seasoning, I highly recommend this one. Yeah, it says no preservatives, no MSG, no gluten, no soy, no peanuts either. And basically the ingredients, and I bet you that if you put all these ingredients on the Trader Joe's label together, it's not gonna taste like this. So it said that all that's in here is sea salt, onion powder, spices, turmeric, and garlic powder. I feel like everybody definitely has most of those in their cupboard, but the one that they get you is where it just says spices. Those are the secret spices that makes it taste so good. So let's see if we could copy this one by any means. It says sea salt, spices, turmeric, onion powder, garlic powder, and calcium stearate, which in parentheses prevents caking. So again, it has the secret ingredient that none of us are ever gonna find. So good luck if you do actually like make your own at home and it tastes amazing. Let me know what you use as part of those spices, because that would be amazing. But I highly recommend this, and also why I chose this one as a substitute for when these are gone and I'm saving these, got the label still, is that this brand was also on Shark Tank. So you know it's good. They put a lot of sweat equity into anything that goes into Shark Tank, and you know that they're passionate about it and probably made years making this, so it's not like it's just another big company making some random spice. Sad day for all of the vegan chickenless fans, but there is a replacement. If anybody has any sort of insider information or any hunches of why you think Trader Joe's takes away these beloved items and then never brings them back, or doesn't really like modify it and bring it back, it's just like gone, like why do you think they do it? Aside from to get you in the store and to buy it, but obviously it's food, it's not like a sweater. Like why do they take these away? So any other good Trader Joe's items that you guys love, I'd love to hear what they are. Put them down in the comments below, and thank you so much for my little ramble on the beloved vegan chickenless seasoning.